There are 3 ways to make napalm. 1. Mix equal parts gasoline and frozen orange juice. 2. Mix equal parts gasoline and Diet Cola. 3. Dissolve crumbled cat litter in gasoline until mixture is thick. Tyler Durden. Do you know why they have oxygen masks on planes?
Supply oxygen?
That's a sharp answer. The oxygen makes you high. You're taking giant, panicked breaths, and suddenly you become euphoric and docile. You accept your fate.
It's true. What do you do, Tyler?
What do you want me to do?
I mean, for a living?
Why? So you can say, oh, that's what you do. Be a smug little shit about it?
We have same briefcase.
I make and sell soap, yardstick of civilization. If you add nitric acid to the soap making process, you get nitroglycerin. With enough soap, you could blow up the world.
Where are you going to Wilmington?
I live there.
Really? Me too.
Excuse me.
So, we should hook up sometime, huh? It's my card. Tyler, you are by far the most interesting single-serving friend I ever met. You know, when you travel or everything is...
I grasp the concept. You're very clever.
Thank you.
How's that working out for you? Being clever.
Well, great.
Keep it up then. Keep it right up.